Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Most of you guys know that I am a professional photographer. One of the things that I look for as a professional photographer are different ways to provide my clients with their prints. Now, here's a really cool option for a lot of you guys. Let me show you guys what comes in this. Now, this is for sublimation. So if you guys haven't heard of sublimation, it's basically the ability to heat press products, to heat press things onto different substrates. And what you guys are looking at here is a slate that you can sublimate onto. Now, this is going to be ideal for like an 8x10 portrait. This is an actual 8x10 size. Now, the sublimation chemicals and everything are already applied to this, so you don't have to worry about doing anything there. You will need a sublimation printer and a heat press to make this work. I want to show you guys how beautiful the edges are here on this as well. And it also comes with individual little holders. So you can actually set this up on a desk, provide this to your client or your family member, loved one, whatever the case it would be. Give it to them for Valentine's Day, Christmas, whatever holidays it might be. Now, the standard print would be requiring a temperatures between 390 Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to properly adhere to this. If you guys are familiar with heat press, you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful option for creating memorable ideas and memorable items for your family and friends. So definitely take a look at this.